Hello students, this is Priya Singh with the subject Maths of Standard 3rd B. So students, I have taught you about numbers in my previous class. So here are the topics that we have to cover up in this chapter. That is digits, numbers, that is 4 digit, representing thousand on the abacus, third place value and face value, fourth place value and expanded form, fifth ordering of numbers, sixth odd and even numbers, sixth successor and predecessor, and seventh is Roman number. So students, I have already taught you about digit numbers, that how can we form numbers with the help of digits. Second is representing thousand on the abacus. How can we represent thousand numbers on the abacus? Third one is place value and face value. So in this part, I have taught you about the definition of place value, face value, and how can we find place value of any digit in a number. Fourth one is place value and expanded form. So in this part, I have taught you about how can we expand a number with respect to place value. So class, today we will study about ordering of numbers, odd and even numbers, successor and predecessor, and Roman numbers. So in this topic, in today's class, we will cover all these 4 topics. So I will start. So class, my first topic is ordering of numbers. That how can we that the definition of ordering of numbers. After that, we will study about the kinds of order of numbers. So here is the definition. We will go with the definition first. So here students, I have written that arrangement of numbers either from small to big or from big to small is known as the ordering of numbers. As the topic said, ordering. So ordering means when we arrange numbers from smaller to bigger or bigger to smaller, then that sequence of numbers or that arrangement of numbers is known as ordering of numbers. It means that जब भी हम लोग किसी नंबर को बड़े से छोटे क्रम में या छोटे से बड़े क्रम में सजाकर लिखते हैं या उसे लिखते हैं, तो उसे क्या बोला गया है? ऑर्डरिंग ऑफ नंबर्स. सो here is the kind of ordering of numbers or order of numbers. So here only there are 2 kinds of order. First one is ascending order and second one is descending order. Obviously we can arrange numbers only in 2 forms, that is ascending or in descending form. It means that from smaller to bigger or bigger to smaller. So here we will go with the ascending order first. As the definition said, that ordering numbers from lowest to greatest is known as ascending numbers. Students, kindly see the definition and listen carefully. What is this ascending order is? You have already learnt about too many things about ascending order in your previous class or descending order in your previous class. So you have already known about the ascending and descending order or ascending or descending arrangement of numbers. So here is the definition, that ordering numbers from lowest to greatest is known as ascending order. हम लोग जब भी छोटे से बड़े क्रम में नंबरों को लिखते हैं तो उसे असेंडिंग ऑर्डर बोला गया. एंड द वाइस वर्सा इज नोन एज द डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर. एज ऑर्डरिंग ऑफ नंबर्स फ्रॉम ग्रेटेस्ट टू लोएस्ट इज नोन एज डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर. बड़े से छोटे क्रम में नंबरों को लिखने की प्रोसेस या ऑर्डरिंग को डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर बोला गया है. सो हियर आर द एग्जांपल्स. Everyone look at the examples first. That I have written here 1356, 9625, 7925. तो इसे हमें किस में लिखना है? असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में. वी हैव टू राइट दिस इन असेंडिंग फॉर्म. सो हियर आई हैव रिटन it in ascending form, that is छोटे से बड़ा. So what I have written here? First, which one is the smallest number? So here it is the smallest. So I have written the smallest at the first of the sequence. So what is the second most highest number? That is the 7925. So I have written 7925 at the middle of the sequence, and the last but not the least is 9625. So I have written this, the greatest number, at the last of the sequence. So here this sequence or this order or this arrangement is known as ascending order. It means that यहाँ पे जो आपका ये सीक्वेंस आया नंबर का, ये जो अरेंजमेंट आया, इससे क्या बोला गया? असेंडिंग ऑर्डर बोला गया. सो वी विल मूव टू द डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर एग्जाम्पल. सो स्टूडेंट्स, आई हैव रिटन हियर, everyone look at the example first, that I have written here 9622, 8965, 9985. So we have to choose the largest among the number. So which one is the largest? So here 9985 is the largest among these numbers. So I have written the largest at the first, second largest at the middle, and the last but not the least, the smallest at the last of the sequence. So here is the formation of descending order. How can we form descending and ascending? Here are the examples, and you can now write ascending order or descending order of numbers in a very proper way. So class, our next topic is even number and odd number. आप लोगों ने पहले even number and odd number के बारे में सुना होगा. You have already heard about even number and odd number in your previous class or any other places. So we will go with the topic even number first. हम लोग पहले even number के बारे में समझेंगे. So we will follow the definition. As I have written here, numbers which are divisible by 2 are known as even numbers. Numbers which are divisible by 2 are known as even number. It means that वो number जो 2 से divisible हो जाते हैं, मतलब 2 से कट जाते हैं, तो वैसे number को even number बोला गया. As I have written here, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and as so on are the even numbers because these numbers are divisible by 2. It means that यहाँ पे जो लिखे गए नंबर है वो even number इसलिए है क्योंकि ये 2 से पूरी तरीके से कट जाते हैं या विभाजित हो जाते हैं. We will move to the next topic, that is odd number. So here I have written that numbers which are not divisible by 2 are known as odd numbers. It means that just even का उल्टा, numbers जो 2 से नहीं कटते हैं तो उन्हें क्या बोला गया है? Odd numbers. As I will give here the example like 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 are known as the odd number. So class, first of all write down the definition properly. I'm going to the other topic, that is the successor of a number. What do you mean by successor of a number? Successor of a number से आप क्या समझते हैं? So class, as I said that you have already known about ascending descending order and you have already known about successor and predecessor also in your previous class. Successor predecessor क्या होता है आपने अपने previous class में पढ़ा होगा, but I will recall here again. So we will follow the definition. As I have written here, the definition of successor of a number is when 1 is added to the given number, we get the successor of that number. किसी भी number का successor निकालने के लिए बोला गया है तो हम उस दिए गए number में 1 add करेंगे, तो add करने के बाद जो नया number आएगा वो हमारा successor होगा. As I have written here the example that 1234 is the given number. ये हमारा दिया गया number है. So class, our given number is 1234. We will add 1 to the given number, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 में हमने 1 add किया. What will we get? 1235 we are getting by adding 1 to the given number. So this is the number that we are getting by adding 1 to the given number is known as the successor of that number. So we will move to the next topic, that is the predecessor of a number. The vice versa of successor is known as predecessor of a number. So we will follow the definition that when 1 is subtracted to the given number, we get the predecessor of that number. अगर हम दिए गए नंबर में अगर 1 माइनस करते हैं तो हमें प्रीडेसर मिलता है उस नंबर का. सपोज आई एम गिविंग, so what is the given number is 1922. We will subtract 1 to the given number, that is minus 1. What are we getting? 1921. So 1921 is the predecessor of the given number 1922. So in this part we have covered even number, odd number, successor and predecessor of a number. So students, kindly write down the definition in your copy properly. Everyone